Hello and welcome back to my channel where we talk about outdoor adventures and the gear I use while doing them. Today we have another Nomadik box. Let's see what we've got inside. This month is the Built to Hike. And again, comes with a quick description of the content inside, a challenge, some tips, a place for you to get in contact with them, as well as some discounts. So let's get started. First item up on top is a Toasty Organic Cashew Blueberry Bar, a crunchy protein snack. Let's see, it is vegan friendly, gluten free, non-GMO verified, and organic. So I'll take that on my next hike and let you know how it tastes. Well, as always, they have an awesome sticker. You know my favorite about stickers. Ooh, I am a fan of the green goo products. They are plant-based. This is pain relief with arnica, ginger, and peppermint. So, apparently cinnamon too. Active ingredient is the arnica flower. Yeah, apply where it hurts. Again, looks to be gluten-free and oh, it's women owned. Nice. Give that a shot the next time I'm out. I get back and I'm a little sore. Next item inside is Wool Aid Emergency Pack. 2 extra large adhesive bandages, apparently. Wound recovery systems from scrapes, scratches, and blisters. 2 extra large and 3 regular. So we'll add that to my kit. They're sustainable, biodegradable, they're made of merino wool, they're plastic free, no latex, and are a renewable product. So again, give those a shot, add them to my first aid kit for camping. Next item is a hat. This is a Wazoo cash cap. It's got 6 pockets apparently. So it's got some slot pockets here at the front, and then it's got some interior pockets here in the top of the cap. Oh, it's got a nice reflective bill, so I guess if I put this upside down in the ground at night, I'd be able to find it real quick. It's made of cooling mesh. Seems interesting. I don't know how much of the pockets I would use. I mean, I can look and see what I might stash there, but I tend to sweat quite a bit, so I don't know what or how much I would keep up in there. Next item inside is the Tick Patrol. You guys have seen these in several other videos from several other boxes. They must be doing a big push. Anyways, this is my third one in a third color, so I will start passing those out to some friends on trail. And the last thing I have here is Nomadik multi-tool. So take a look. I have a feeling I know how this is going to work. Yep. Alright. So this is a Nomadik tool. It's got some cord on it. Got some teeth on it. Oh, those are actually really sharp. It's got a blade edge on it. Again, really sharp. It's got all kinds of tools and stuff around it. Let's see if they say much more of it in the package since there's no card to describe everything. So this tool has 14 tools. It's got 3 knife edges, 2 sizes of straight screwdrivers, a bottle opener, a can opener, a emergency paracord, hexagonal wrench, a cutting saw, a ruler, a lanyard hold, a butterfly wrench, and a location mole. So interesting. I have a few of these cards that I keep in different vehicles. So let's go over this again to make sure we've got everything. So we have the Wazoo Cash Cap. We have the Green Goo Pain Relief. We've got the Tick Patrol Tick Remover. We've got the Wool Aid Emergency Pack. We have the Nomadik Multi Guard. We've got the Tozy Super Bites Cashew Blueberry. And we've got our sticker. So if this type of thing interests you, please reach out to Nomadik at thenomadic.com or at the Nomadic on social media and consider grabbing one of their boxes. So if you liked this kind of content and this video, please like it, share it with friends, and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified the next time I release content similar. Until next time, thanks and have a great time on trail.